If you're thinking about selling, you might have a list of honeydews that you've wanted to get done. Maybe you need to get done before you list just so that you improve your chances, right? We want to make sure you sell quickly and for top dollar. So you might have some things in mind. I've got a list of repairs or upgrades that people did and what the return on that was when they went to sell. This is good information because you want to know if your repairs are worth doing or if they're a waste of time. So here's a list of some common ones. Finishing a basement came at a 90% ROI. Doing a bathroom remodel was 60% ROI. Replacing old or outdated windows was 68% ROI. Siding replacement, maybe you've got some old vinyl siding just outdated or damaged, was 69%. Kitchen remodels was 72%. A new stone veneer on the exterior of the home, upgrading, really leveling up the exterior of the home from maybe an old vinyl to a new nice stone veneer, was 92% ROI. And a garage door, believe it or not, replacing your garage door came at a 94% ROI. Another high one was landscaping. I bet it was so high because you can probably do, and could be even higher because you can do a lot of landscaping yourself, probably. So one caveat is that before you just dive into throwing money around and wondering if you're going to see the return on that, I've been able to help sellers really evaluate the market and our competition to decide if doing repairs are worth it, to set ourselves apart and make us that much more attractive against our competition, or if we have low competition, if they're even worth it, because people are just going to have to kind of take what they can get, right? And sometimes these repairs can, of course, be costly and a waste of time and money. So we want to make sure that we don't just go aimlessly into them. If you've got further questions about what repairs maybe make the most sense before you list, if you're thinking about listing, I'd be happy to tell you what my experience has been here locally, and we could even look at the competition in your neighborhood and decide if what makes sense and what you could hold off on until you cross that bridge. Anyway, if you've got other questions about this, feel free to reach out. Hope to talk to you soon.